Oh, hear me. The place you belong to is tattered, lies and tears and sheer distance tearing it apart. The place you belong to is damaged, wrinkled foreheads and grey hair and mouths turned downward like clowns, clowns laughing cynically at their own demise. The place you come from is going, gone. Pillars of strength crumble to dust. The fire is out and the air is in the ashes. The place you come from, it is nothing but scorched earth, torched land, burnt down in rage, burnt out in exhaustion, burning up in spite, and there is no respite. Children of a broken home, you are infants of misery, conceived in a womb of unease, raised on a diet of mistrust and dishonesty. You would breathe in the eerie air, a fog of unsettled quiet descending upon you, eyes opening and closing like horrified camera shutters in darkened rooms, as raised voices of pain, of desperation, were your sweetest lullabies. Children of a broken home, oh tell me, did you not try to imagine that the distance between entities was nothing more than the physical area of cold stone floors? That the hushed voices were planning a birthday surprise, not a divorce. That the bottles of brewery hidden in high places were drunk in warm toast to infinite love and not in drunken acts of sunken eyes and crying lungs. I can see it in your eyes, you fragile porcelain soldiers. I can see how you look into people, desperately trying to find a beating heart and not a rotting soul. Children of a broken home, if the place you come from is broken, then where do you belong? Where do you dig your roots deep into the earth? If the soil around you is polluted, eroded, decayed, if all you've ever felt is distance, how will you know closeness? If all you've ever heard are screams of pain, how will you know the laughter of love? If all you've ever touched is cold and lifeless, then will you recoil from the light and the warmth? Children of a broken home, listen to me. You have been ravaged by a hurt that is not even yours. You have been torn apart by other people tearing each other apart. You have watched flames burn out, and you have watched lives catch fire, and you have watched love turn to ashes. And that is why each and every one of you is a phoenix, children. Rise, rise from the ashes. Spread your wings and fly away. Children of a broken home, know that it does not matter where you come from, as long as you know where you're going. Children of a broken home, remember, home is where the heart is. And so long as you keep yours beating, you will always, always be home.